Hello students, I am continuing the same session which was there in the last presentation about GPRS, General Packet Radio Service. It has two new nodes are added to support GPRS that we have seen, which is SGS node, which we call as Servicing GPRS Support Node, communicates with MS within its service area. It has another gateway GPRS support node. It communicates with packet network that are external to GSM network. It has three new radio channels that are added into it. First one is packet broadcast channel. Transmits system information to all packet MS in the area of a cell. Packet common control channel consists of four subtypes: packet paging channel to page mobile station, packet random access channel used for mobile station to access the network to initiate transmission response to pages, packet access grant channel to send resource assigned to mobile station, packet notification channel to send multicast information to mobile station. So it is again similar to random access, granting the access and notification. These are kind of logical channel that is supported in GPRS technique. Its third radio channel is packet traffic channel. This is bidirectional channel to transmit data packets between mobile station and base station over the packet data TCH. Also sends control information to and from mobile station. Packet switch data transmission. It has the packet switch data transmission is possible in GSM by creating a direct access to packet data network PDN. For example, we can have X.25 internet intranet. The packet data transmission allows to turn from time dependent charging to volume dependent charging and to optimize the usage of radio resources. New coding scheme that is offered, four coding schemes were introduced for the data transmission on interface. CS1 offering 9.505 kbps, CS2 13.4 kbps, CS3 15.6 kbps and CS4 21.4 kbps for physical channel. The redundancy is reduced from CS1 to CS4. This allows optimization reaction on the current actual quality of the radio interface. That is, CS4 is automatically chosen if radio interface is nearly perfect, and CS1 if the quality is comparably low. Channel combining. Theoretically, it is possible to combine up to 8 physical channels of one carrier to one user. A total new GPRS core architecture allows to transmit high data rate well beyond 100 kbps. Let us understand EDGE technology, enhanced data rate for GSM evolution. EDGE has to be regarded as a booster for GPRS or HSCSD. New modulation principle. EDGE introduced a new sophisticated modulation principle into GPRS. It is called 8PSK, 8-bit phase shift keying. Compared with the classical GSM modulation principle, the so-called Gaussian minimum shift keying GMSK, a 3 times higher data rate is possible with EDGE technology. EDGE can be used to enhance the data rate of GPRS and HSCSD in combination with GPRS. Data rate up to 69.2 kbps can be achieved, and combining up to 8 physical channels to one user. This means to be a maximum theoretical data rate that can be achievable is 553.6 kbps. Radio blocks are the most smallest transmitted area unit within the EDGE system. Each radio block contains 1 to 2 packet data units (PDU) depending on modulation and coding schemes. Here even we can compare the GSM, HSCSD and GSM H technology. We can understand in a HSCSD, which is circuit switch network, supported with modulation GMSK. Here it is 8 PSK. This is the standard carrier bandwidth of 200 kilohertz, which is maintained same. Modulation data rate, it was 270.8 kbps. Here it becomes 8.13 kbps. Bit rate 14.4. Here the bit rate, it becomes 69.2 kbps, which we have seen in the above discussion. Maximum data rate that we can get out of it is 553.6 kbps. Related privacy and security in GSM. Few questions that we will try to understand: how to achieve the system privacy and security. 4 primary mechanisms is used to achieve. The first one is subscriber is identified using cryptographic security mechanism. The second one is subscriber security information is stored in a secure computing platform called SIM card. GSM operator maintains the secrecy of the cryptographic algorithm and the key, authenticating the subscribers and providing voice privacy. The fourth one is cryptographic key are not shared with the other GSM administration. This is how it is tried to maintain the privacy of the user's information. To whom the security is required? Security in a wireless system is concerned to the system operator and user both. Where are the necessity of privacy requirement? Technical needs, privacy in the following area: call setup information. During call setup, handset will communicate information such as calling number, calling card number, types of services requested to the network. So it is concluding that the system must send all this information in a secure way. The second point is speech and data. System must encrypt all spoken communication and data. Why? The conclusion is hackers cannot intercept the signal by listening on the airways. User location. All information that a user might transmit should enable a listener to determine its location and encrypt user ID. Conclusion, if we have to understand, is we have to give the protection is needed against radio link waves dropping, unauthorized access by outsider to store location in HLR and VLR, unauthorized access by insider to the user location information stored in the network. So user location is also an important information that has to be secured. User ID. System should not show user ID. Two important point related to prevent analysis of user calling pattern based on user ID. Somebody should not be able to identify the pattern of the user ID based on the user ID. Calling pattern. No information must be sent from a handset that enables a listener of the radio interface to do traffic analysis such as calling number, caller ID, frequency of use by the handset, and financial transaction. The important point conclusion out of it is if the user transmits credit card information over any channel, the system must be have the protection of the data. What are the security algorithms for GSM that are used? Basically, these 3 algorithms are security algorithms that can be run in encryption: authentication algorithm, privacy key generation algorithm, and encryption algorithm. So it is taking care of the security in the GSM. Thank you.